Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. As much as incipha inamba yabadlali abasha noma abangakadlali this season ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke baningi abangakadlali laphana ku-senior team, but sithemba ukuthi bazowathola ama-opportunity wabo ngoba i-Kaizer Chiefs seyiqualifye naku-CAF Confederations Cup kuma-group stages, meaning bazoba nama-match awu-6 a-extra. So nayilist yabo bafethu: Shinga akakadlali, Sheslett akakadlali, uThulani Touch Mabasa akakadlali, uBatman akakadlali, uKabelo Nkwesa akakadlali nawo, naleli Hlongwane akakadlali, Given Msimango still naye akakadlali, uDotli. But uGiven Msimango noDotli bafethu siyazi ukuthi ama-injuries vele, possibly ngabe sebadlalile. uVuma angakamboni, uBuntle Mulifa angakamboni, uDoney naye angakamboni. Morris ngimbone nje angena azokhahlela ipenalty kuphela. That was his season ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Otherwise not even making the match day squad naye uMorris. So uDoney ngike ngakhuluma ngaye bafethu, ulobe bamlona uSuperSport United. Even i-coach laphana uvelile noma ubani ubaba lo coach laphana ku-DDC team uthe ulaphana ne-DDC team ukuthi athi gain i-confidence yakhe back, alungise la alungisa khona ukuthi hopefully-ke uzokwazi ukubuyela laphana ku-first team. And then uBuntle ngike ngakhuluma ngaye goalkeeper bafethu. I think sekanabo ama-4 years laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ku-senior team ejima nabo nje ukujima kuphela is not making the match day squad. But it's important to note that ukuthi uphazamiswa ama-injuries for isikhathi eside bafethu. Uyambona uphinde ungamboni, uyambona. Sibone ukujima ubani umfana uMukwena. Sangamanga khona uMukwena u-DDC team belaphana ku-first team ejima ne-first team. Why? Because of abanye goalkeeper bebangekho available laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Yeah man, onaleli Hlongwane siyafuna ukubabona, uNkwesa siyafuna ukubabona, uThulani Mabasa siyafuna ukubabona, even some of the big, even the big stars siyafuna ukubabona. Abanye-ke sobona ukuthi bazobanika ama-opportunity nini laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Before ngingena kwenye bafethu ngiqhubeka ngiya phambili, I want to mention something incredible. Ukuthi I say incredible because it's close to what we have built lana online. So bafuna ukuthenga i-page. Ngike ngayisho lento, I think I mentioned this thing last week. Manje they are pushing hard ukuthi balithathe le page leli, and then ngiyazama ukuthi inkosi yami bangalithathi le page leli because I'm trying, we have built the community, but we can still grow, we can be better and greater. So bona ngoJanuary, I think by January if we don't get to 20,000 subscribers ne-viewership ingakhuphuki, I think ngizoba senkingeni eserious ukuthi ngilithengise le page leli. Because even I think 4 hours back, I think it was around 11, still bengikwenye meeting bazama ukulithenga ipage nkosi yami. Balifuna-ke ngenkani-ke manje. Ba-ofara lokho abaku-ofarayo, imali e-right, but I'm thinking, I've built a community as much as imali ingekho that much. Ikhona imali. Qinisa ukuthi ikhona imali la ku-YouTube bafethu. But le mali abayi-ofarayo ngiyabona ukuthi le ngingayijulukela 3 years phela le mali abanganginika yona. But if ngiyasebenza nje la ngingayijulukela 3 years, but I'm thinking of i-community overall and what we have built la. Nanokuthi-ke lingakhula le page to lize lifike maybe kuze nami ngikwazi ukusebenza nabanye abantu ngibaqashe to this page. But ngifuna ukungena kuma-message wenu bafethu angithintayo because you guys play i-role enkulu kule page leli, nanokuthi sibe na-13,000 subscribers, keep growing and getting better and greater overall. Nayi message engifuna ukuyifunda ukababa noma ubhuti bafethu, ulokhunjana uMandla Nkosi Dubazane, ngizoqala ngaye bafethu. Uthe Nkuli, kumina mfethu neqiniso, ngifisa sonke se-subscribe ukuze ikhule i-channel yethu esiyithandayo. Uyaqhubeka-ke lapho nje uthi ngiqhubeke nomsebenzi omuhle. Another one would be uQaqa Wuli. Yes, Qaqa Wuli. This one is long, so bear with me, yes. Uthi Nkuli, I'm very impressed ngo-Ighodaro, ama-qualities wakhe above average. Uthi bengamazi yena u-Ighodaro, he was not aware of u-Ighodaro until ngimenshina lana uma-pages wami kaningi, yabo. So uyaqhubeka nje uyasho ukuthi uvele bayi naye uyabonisa ama-glimpse of i-brilliance, uthi considering the fact that he has not been playing for some time. Uthi it looks like i-Kaizer Chiefs imanenjile ukuthola ama-real players this time around, equality. Uthi-ke abakwazanga obviously ukumthola laphana uyapolice ezi-Kaizer Chiefs, but uthi ucabanga ukuthi uvele bayi is very capable, or is a very capable alternative. Kusho ukuthi umuntu naye ongakwazi ukusivala lesikhala lesi. Uthi as for uBatman, uwisha ukuthi ama-coaches angamwaste laphana ku-DDC team. kumele bakwazi bamnike i-chance laphana. Uthi the sooner ama-young stars wabo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bawa-introducer or babanika ama-chance laphana ku-first team the better. Uthi last time beba ne-player elilokhunjani elifana noMfundo Vilakazi, it was during isikhathi saka-Skara, the Black Jesus bafowethu Ngobese. Uthi-ke, I hope the management and the technical team are now realizing that shortcuts and quick fixes for cheap results are not the solution. Uthi-ke kumele babe nesineke and babanike abafana ithuba maybe uthi in the next 2 seasons Kaizer Chiefs noma abafana bazoba unplayable. So yeah, thank you for the message Len ukuthi angirecognize ukuthi without maybe mina kulo ngireporta kaningi ngo-Igataro, and the most important thing about ukureporta ngo-Igataro it was ama-stats bafethu. Ngiwakhumbula noma ungangivusa ngo-3 ekuseni ngiyawakhumbula ama-stats ka-Igataro ukuthi ushaye 25 goals kuma-match awu-97 overall laphana. That's impressive. That's very impressive considering the fact that bebamluna kuma-teams are-different overall. Nangilana ubaba noma ubhoti uZamcolo weZulu uthi Nkulintwana uthi you are amazing, keep it up and thank you for everything. You update us with uthi great news and great news always, love and peace. Yeah, I think bonga mina kuwo wonke umuntu obukelayo, wonke umuntu ofollow i-page, wonke umuntu osubscribe-ayo. Well, wonke umuntu obukela ama-ads niwajampele after 30 seconds bafowethu, ama-ads abalulekile. Well, to be fair, the page ngiliqale nini le page or ukuposta nje ngebhola. I think I started posta ngebhola late February or early March lapho, and then I realized okay, actually I can make something out of this thing, and then liyakhula liyawafaka lawo ma-1,000 ambalwa bafethu, but we can, I think, growing the page. By the way, ngazi I know the biggest sport journalist in the country. In fact, the guy is not even manje a-journalist, is way bigger than ukuba a-journalist because ubuilde into eyenza ama-millions bafethu, wathengisa like the biggest newspaper leyasakhula ithingisho iSoccer Laduma, nguye wayiqala iSoccer Laduma. So I know that guy, meaning that khona abantu engibaziyo aba-important ebholeni lase-South Africa. Ngiyawazi ama-agent ambalwa, so zikhona izinto like ezinokuphuma ezinye. Ingakho uma ubheka ama-rumors, izinto eziningi angigeji isikhathi esiningi, even nginokusho into abantu abathi abantu bathi I wish iqiniso because of all YouTube is built on like ama-pages anamanga. Isikhathi esiningi avele bathi Pirates i-Kaizer Chiefs isayino apolice out of the blue, umuntu avele asho kanjalo. But-ke mina I try to verify and to go through ama-channels a-right ukuze ngithole ilokhunjani, ngenze i-story about umuntu and then ngisi-break it down ngendlela e-right ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukusigraspa. But yeah, it's been a roller coaster like being with everyone nje usubscribe-ayo okhulisa i-page. Njengoba bengishilo bafethu, I think I would reject ama-offers for now, but ngoJanuary I would just have to sit down ngibone ukuthi sikhule kangakanani. But January, if singahlala kuma 20,000 subscribers ngoJanuary, then maybe I might say, let me just keep this page, yabo. But if we're not able to get even to 20,000 subscribers, ne-viewership engconywana, because mina per video, this is what I'm expecting, by the way. I'm just expecting at least over 1,000 views per video, and then ngizodrop ama-video let's say 10 a day. That's it. Ngiyakwazi-ke nami ukupatanisa lapho nalapho, yabo, ukuhlanganisa lo shell uthini ugogo wayethini ishumi lopondo. Yeah, ngiyakwazi ukuhlanganisa lawo masenti. But yeah, thank you kuwo wonke umuntu obukelayo bafethu. Ngithi nakini kwande, but the most important thing ukusubscribe. Back to ama-player bafethu, sobona ukuthi ama-player bazowa-introduce kanjani nanokuthi kuzothatha isikhathi esingakanani. I mean, for me, yeah, nami ngiyayisho lento ukuthatha uBatman ukumbeka ku-DDC team akumbuildi, kuyambulala bafethu, because ayikho into azoyifunda ku-DDC team. Mshayele nje ne-first team ahlulekele yena if uyahluleka. Imagine if uMfundo Vilakazi bafethu azange bamnika i-chance ku-first team, bavele bathi hhayi sasemncane, ngabe ukuphi, ngabe akayanga ku-under 20 World Cup, ngabe akasiyi-African champion, ngabe izola aka-create-anga 2 goals. So zonke lezo zinto, izinto izinto ey'ncane bafethu ezishape umuntu zimenze i-superstar, zimkhulise umuntu. But man naye throw this guy ku-deep end umbone ukuthi uzokwazi ukuswima or uzoncwila na. So but it's very important ukubhiliva kuma-young stars bafethu. Yeah, keep subscribing bafethu, keep subscribing ngoba baningi abantu ababuke. I mean, I'm amazed because ngenyanga mangicheck I think abantu unique viewers like it's over 100,000 yabantu abavisitha i-page, over 100,000, but we're getting what, we are on 13,000 subscribers at least ke if sikuboma 20. Mina the subscribers I would take ngisho ukuthi hayi sesisebenzile 25,000 subscribers. I appreciate 10,000 subscribers even more because I was pushing for 10,000 subscribers, but guess what, baningi abantu abavisit i-page but they are not subscribing. Bafethu subscribe-ani, kuyasiza ukukhulisa i-page ngoba bazolithatha labantu laba ngoba balifuna serious. So let's make sure ukuthi si-create izinto zethu bafethu ezi-independent from abanye abantu. Mina what I would do with this platform once it gets better and greater, I'll get abanye abantu bazosebenza kule platform le, because mina on my personal scale I was like, okay, I can do this thing full time, go to work lapho nalapho, but and try to balance this thing nomsebenzi. Angiyenzeli by the way ama-like nokutrenda. If bengiyenzela ukutrenda ngabe ngi-attack ama-team njalo, even noma ngi-attack umuntu, but I'm basing on ama-fact ukuthi usibani bani, lise uDupreez, I was not attacking uDupreez, but we have to say uDupreez sekage ama-golden opportunities awu-7 straight. So wenziwa njani ngaye? Is it a bad luck? Is it inini? Udeserve ukuhlala ebhentshini-ke lowo muntu bafethu. We saw him e-stadium by the way. I think umuntu siyazi ukuthi mentally yam-affect into, but-ke after a big moment like that uyigejile plus nomsindo osuka kuma-fans, guess what, keep this guy out for a month angadlali, and then loke umbuyise laphana ejimini i-confidence yakhe back, maybe mebuya uzodeliver something. But I was just disappointed ukumbona laphana ebhentshini, babe bazi kamhlophe ukuthi ngeke adlale. Imagine bakhipha uIgadaro bafaka I think Augustin Sereno, and then they had to switch laphana phambili. Yeah. Oh coach, but-ke thank you bafethu, ngiyabonga kuwo wonke umuntu obukelayo, kuwo wonke umuntu olayikhayo, osubscribe-ayo, yeah, ositholile nje overall. Thank you.